Hello and welcome to your basic JavaScript course for beginners. In this lesson, we'll be discussing JavaScript. JavaScript is a wonderfully powerful programming language that is involved with most web development to date. It first appeared in 1995, making it one of the oldest programming languages to retain such high standing in the programming world. This is especially remarkable since the two languages that inspired it became obsolete over time, these languages being Self and Scheme. Of course, over time JavaScript became more than a web development language and soon became used in many common software such as word processors and PDF software. In this way, you could say that the ground that advanced software and web services are based on is made with JavaScript. Beyond that, speaking as a teacher, JavaScript is one of the most enjoyable programming languages. The only difficulty I found in first learning JavaScript was realizing that it worked hand in hand with other languages, such as HTML. So with this in mind, I'll try to make the HTML which we'll be using in this course minimal. JavaScript has remained one of the top programming languages for over 2 decades, and even this year, 2018, it is number 1, followed by Swift, then Python. Web development is no doubt in demand, so it goes without saying that JavaScript will be around for a few decades more, perhaps with a facelift here and there, but nothing too drastic. What we can expect in the future is perhaps a gradual increase in the salary of most JavaScript developers. Even currently it is one of the most paid for programming languages, but with so many developments, startups and cleanups happening over the internet, JavaScript is only going to be more needed. With these thoughts in mind, taking up JavaScript is a fantastic idea for any beginner programmer, for it is not only one of the simplest languages to learn, but one of the most needed and enjoyable languages as well. That concludes this lesson. In the next video, I'll give you an overview of this course.